Now I am discussing about a sum on standard deviation. Sum number 10. The sum of runs scored by cricketers A and B during a test series consisting of 5 test matches is shown below for each of the 10 innings. Cricketer A 5, 26, 97, 76, 112, 89, 6, 108, 24, 16. Cricketer B 51, 47, 36, 60, 58, 39, 44, 42, 71, 50. Make a comparative study of their batting performance. Solution. We have to calculate coefficient of variation, which is equal to standard deviation by mean into 100. When we compare compare the runs or batting performance or of two cricketers, we have to calculate first coefficient of variation of cricketer A and coefficient variation of cricketer B. Then we will compare these two. When the comparison comparative value or CV coefficient of variation is less, that is better. Coefficient of variation is less, that is better than the cricketer whose coefficient of variation is more. That means the standard deviation by mean. That means standard deviation is when varies. The variation of runs is less in case of the cricketer whose CV is less, and we will prefer the cricketer whose variation is less, actually who is running consistently. Like you see when a cricketer runs 100, 108, 99 like this. When a cricketer runs 0, 12, 100, 50 like this. Second cricketer running this one running tendency is very consistent. No, we cannot depend on this second cricketer, because sometimes he runs very low, like 3-0 like this. Sometimes he runs 108 like 108 like this. This one, the cricketer whose run is consistently follows the standard, then he is more reliable. So now we are going to calculate the coefficient of variation of cricketer. For this, we are making two tables. One table for cricketer A, another table for cricketer B. For cricketer A, we have made 3 columns. First column is X, second column is Y, capital Y, third column is capital Y square. So when X is equal to 5, Y is equal to X minus 55. That means 5 minus 55 minus 50, and Y square, that means minus 50 square is equal to 2500. Like second row when x is equal to 26, y is equal to x minus 55, that is equal to minus 29, and y square is equal to then 20 minus 29 square 841. Similarly, for third row we get when x is equal to 97, then y is equal to 97 minus 55 is equal to 42, and 42 square is equal to 1764. Similarly, I have made the other entries and then made a total of x is a total of now y is equal to 107, total of y square is equal to 17,643. Similarly, I have made a table for cricketer B. Here runs of cricketer B is denoted by y, and we have made a column for z is equal to y minus 50, z square is equal to z square is equal to z square column. So when y is equal to 51, z is equal to 51 minus 51, and 1 square is equal to 1, that is z square. When y is equal to 47, that means z is equal to 47 minus 50 minus 3, and minus 3 square is equal to 9, this is equal to z square value. So likewise 36, when y is equal to 36, z is equal to 36 minus 50 is equal to minus 14, so z square is equal to minus 14 square minus 196. Similarly, other values have been met is in the same way. So total of z is equal to minus 12, total of z square is equal to 1032. X bar is equal to 55 plus 107 by 10 is equal to 55 plus 10.7 is equal to 65.7. Formula used here, x bar is equal to c plus y bar is equal to c plus summation y by n. So now we are calculating sigma x square, which is equal to 17,643 by 10 minus 107 by 10 whole square is equal to 1764 by 3 minus 104.49 is equal to 1649.81. Sigma x is equal to root over 1649.81 is equal to 40.62. Formula used here for calculation of sigma x is equal to summation y square by n minus summation y by n whole square. Again we are calculating y bar is equal to 50 minus 12 by 10 is equal to 50 minus 1.2 is equal to 48.8. Formula used as above. Sigma y square is equal to 1032 by 10 minus within bracket minus 12 by 10 whole square is equal to 103.2 minus 14.4 is equal to 88.8. Therefore sigma y is equal to root over 88.8 is equal to 9.42. For coefficient of variation of a, that is we call it CV, is equal to 40 by 62 by 65.7 is into 100 is equal to 61.83. For coefficient of variation of b is equal to 9.42 by 48.8 is into 100 is equal to 19.30. For cricketer B, the coefficient of variation is smaller than a, which is 19.30, and CV for cricketer A is 61.83. Hence, B is more consistent in batting performance. And please be noted that you may consult Statistics Made Easy, Volume 1 for easier understanding of this problem, which is written by me. Thank you.